Welcome back to the channel. I'm Martin. Today we're going to go out to the range. It's going to be very windy out there, and we're going to do a bulk ammo challenge, or bulk ammo testing. So we're going to try this Federal auto match. It shot pretty decent out of some other rifles, and we're going to put it up against this Winchester M22. Like I said, we're going out to 50 yards with this. We're taking the CZ457 with the Arkin LH4 scope on it, and it's a real windy day out there, but we're just going to see what we can do with groups. See if these can hopefully shoot under ½ inch. All right, see you at the range. All right, 50 yards. Federal auto match. Top row, left target.
That was the safety rule. That was a what? The safety rules. That's where that ended.
It went perfectly. I thought it would come up a little bit.
It was on the paragraph on the right. Yeah. Under safety rules.
I don't know where that hit.
Okay. That was inside the circle, not on the orange, but the outer orange.
Oh, okay.
Like right side of the That was further away from the inside the circle. So you're like on the south side of the square.
Yeah. Okay, I put out there.
The last four, one hole. All right, top row, second target. I'm going left to right.
No, I want to say that. Well, I have never shot my 6. There's no kick. Oh.
Huh. That went a little high.
Ah, you pulled it again.
That was like east of the bullseye, but right outside it. And there's some more. There's
Just put 3.
That's what I know.
That was all over the place. Bulk ammo for you. Wind is really gusting right now. Guess it's not too bad since it's bulk ammo. All right, fourth target, top row.
Yeah, that's the boat. When are you shooting? All right. All right.
In the top right square, top of the square.
Two different groups going there on that one. All right. Top row, fifth target.
It's hard to believe you can actually see the lines like, oh.
Bullseye.
Push it back to the
Bullseye. Starting to gust again. All right, now we're going to go with the Winchester M22 bulk ammo. Let me load up real quick. Okay. All right, Winchester, bottom row, first target. All right, second target, bottom row.
That was the one I got closer to the orange. That by itself.
Bottom row, third target.
The first one I have on the page, the one up, straight above it.
Thank you.
That one shot low.
So I didn't roll way higher, right?
No, height is good, you need to go left. Oh, beautiful, that's inside the orange. Remember the orange, there's two orange lines. Okay, you're inside
Okay.
the first,
Bottom row, fourth target.
almost center. Yeah, so you moved over perfectly, just a little high. Left, you're outside the orange, left. Yeah, you moved over, you went over two squares too far. And then you shot low.
Attention shooters, you have 2 minutes until the next ceasefire. 2 minutes until ceasefire.
Oh, you're in the orange, almost bullseye.
Bottom row,
You're on the low side.
last target. See if I can get it in before ceasefire.
That's too loud, Eddie. You're on the right side, outside the orange. Right at the edge. We open if you're interested. No, you're definitely. Same spot. Don't put it back there now. You're in the orange now.
All right, that's it for that target. All right, back from the range. So up first was the auto match. That's a group to season the barrel. That actually shot pretty good. I only scored the last 4 groups for each ammo. At the second group, or first for score, second for score, third for score, and fourth for score. And we got a average of .805. Next up was the Winchester M22. There's the seasoning the barrel shots. First group for score, second group for score, third group for score, and fourth group for score. And that one averaged .639. Shot better than the auto match actually. Not too bad. I'm sure these would have tightened up a little bit. It was really windy, as you can probably see in the video. So thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Until next time, sayonara.